Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand for this dough mixers or food mixers. And let me give the overall sizes first. For the units entire dips, they are about like 19 inches. And the overall height about the units about like 28 inches. And the length of the unit is about like 15.5 inches wide. So for this unit, it's a 10-quart mixers, and they do have a metal covers on top of it, and they also do have the gear switch on this side. You can see the numbers, and pull it up, and these are power switchers and emergency stops, and also we do have a ETL sanitation stickers on the machine. And also we're having the detail to show you the 110 voltage, and for the different speed, they come with different hooks. From the manufacturers, they offer the 3 different hooks. So we're having these sizes 1, 2, and pre-installed on the machine, total 3 different sizes. And also have a lift switch on the side, secured and done, and also having the bowl holders on this side. You can pull it out, and from the machine behind, we can see they're using the standard 110 plugs from the manufacturers. And also we can take a look closer to see the machine, the bowl sizes. For this small units, we're having caps on top of it. We know they're having grinders you can attach with this hole, and they have screws to adjust the loose and tie to secure the grinders. And let me give the dimension of the bowl. The diameters for this bowl is about like 10 inches. And the overall depth of the units is about like 10.5 inches deep. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. So if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.